Gold and silver both traded in a fairly narrow range throughout the day. Remember, in the earlier update, I have recommended that gold is a sell only below 2030 and a buy above 2035-36. Precisely, it has remained within the same zone. It has failed to break either of the levels. While silver is traded with a bullish bias, but modest bullish bias, I can say, it has yet to break beyond 2270, 2280 levels. Now, what to expect from gold and silver? With the US session, how we can profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do press the bell icon to get twice a day updates. First with the Asia session and next with the US session. Also join the channel memberships. Let's start. First gold followed with silver. Watch till on the hourly charts. Gold is yet to break below 2035-36 zone. That is the only level beyond which we can consider that gold is willing to rise, and then we can look forward to 2038-42. I have mentioned very clearly this is the zone you should watch out for. Only above which we can treat gold as bullish. On the downside, 2830, again a very good support zone. Same levels here. Only thing what has happened throughout the day is the stochastic has dropped and it has created a room for a rise. If not today, some point of time soon. MACD has also crossed over for a sell here, trying to trade with little divergence. RSI is staying flat. Not much of strength is seen. Likewise, on the 2-hour chart, see higher lows are seen here. Lower highs are seen here. It is in a zone of consolidation. 2020 to 2040 levels. Yes, it has to come out of this zone in order to confirm a break. If you eliminate this drop, what gold has done is gold is trading in this zone, it in a narrow channel, and this channel is skewed on the downside where lower highs are seen and almost flat bottom is seen. The stochastic has dropped here. MACD is almost flat. RSI is also flat. And on the 3-hour chart, similar observation. Only thing on the 3-hour charts to note here is, see, first of all, flat top for last few candles, then a reversal sign, 3 red candles here. Also, just observe last 2 candles, higher lows are seen and lower highs are seen. So it is trying to trade in a fairly narrow range. We have to wait for it to break below 2030, 2028 zone, which is a support zone, which it needs to break in order to confirm the bearishness. Stochastic has dropped, MACD almost flat, RSI is flat here. Likewise, on the 4-hour, similar observation. Yes, there is a reversal sign. We have seen narrow candles, or you can say moderate bearish candles after the rise here. Now we have to wait for it to give a breakout either on the upside or downside. As long as it fails to break, we have to watch out. The stochastic looking downwards here. See what has happened here. After the rise, it has seen a little drop with a sideways movement. Now again, it is looking downwards. Here also MACD is flat and RSI is also flat. Coming to daily chart. Now I have shown every time since last 3 months, gold is trading in this channel. This is a bullish channel and it is failing to break below the support channel, support zone. Right now in last couple of days, yes, we have seen it breaking, but it has failed to stay below these levels. Now today what has happened, yesterday's candle was a red candle with a longer tail. Price has failed to stay bearish and we have seen a recovery. Now today we have seen lower highs and lower lows. So I will definitely watch out for. Now the median of the Bollinger Bands and the 50 period moving average sitting at around 28 to 30 zone is what you should watch out for. Any drop below this can take the prices towards 24.25. Now 24.25 is going to be the support for the day. And as I shared earlier, and I am recommending again, as long as gold stays above 2018-2020 zone today, we should not be treating this as bearish. It is going to recover fast. First of all, I do not see it breaking. Looking at the momentum right now, I do not see it breaking towards those levels. This is a fairly moderate momentum, I can say, for gold. The stochastic is rising here. The MACD is trying to converge crossover for sell. It has not yet crossed over. RSI is staying flat. Considering this, before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my 29th mentorship batch commencing in a couple of weeks. Register yourself now. Also, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Joining the signals channel, you can benefit as per the trading signals. Also, join the free Telegram channel for live updates of the markets. And for your any queries, you can write an email to me or you can ping me on Telegram for details related to mentorship batch or signals channel. And yes, do visit the platform forexfunda.com where you get all the information related to the trading, be it the charts, be it the indicators, be it the economic calendar and the community of traders. And yes, you can also book a call with me if you need any consultation or guidance. So do visit the platform. Now considering this, very easy, buying at 2036, but this is again going to be with caution because 2038-42, this is very nearby, but I cannot avoid telling it. 2038.42 is the zone gold has to break in order to confirm a reversal, where we can look forward to. This time if it breaks beyond 2042, I will look forward to 2050 levels, though the intermediate resistance at 2045.46 is there, but I will still expect it to hit 2050 if it breaks 2038.42 zone, then and then only. On the downside, below 2028 levels, we can expect slight bearishness, where it will try to move towards 24.25 first target, and then 18.20 levels the next. As long as it stays above 18 and 20, we should not be treating gold as bearish. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. So this silver on the hourly charts, moving averages crossing over here. It is trading in this bullish channel. Higher lows, higher highs are seen. Support is seen at 2260 levels, and thus 2260 has become a fairly important support zone for silver for today. This complete zone, rather I will say 2260, 2250 is going to be a fairly strong support. Stochastic is flat, MACD crossing over here for sell. This is a bearish indication on the hourly charts. It can try to create a bearish wave for it, means fewer red candles can be expected. RSI looking down, coming to 2-hour. Likewise on the 2-hour charts, it appears it is going to trade sideways within the zone and not willing to stay above 2270-80 zone and not willing to break below 2250-60 as well. Moving averages crossing here, certainly making it a very strong support, and it is also entering into buy zone. This is also one of the confirmation. Stochastic looking downwards, MACD is in green trying to converge, RSI is staying flat. Coming to 3-hour charts, look at 3-hour charts here. Similar observation, moderate bullishness it is shown, and it is taking support from 2260, 2250 zone. Thus in this zone we have to be careful. Any drop below 2250, even if it drops below 2250, remember one point here, that see, first of all, lower lows were seen. If you connect the dots here, you will find lower lows, lower highs. Where are the highs of this channel? Highs are at close to $23 levels. And yes, if it shows a complete reversal and a fall from here, I do not see that happening, but yes, these are markets. You can take a sell and take 2250. The stochastic dropping from the overbought zone, MACD is in green trying to converge a bit. RSI started to look downwards. Coming to 4-hour, on the 4-hour charts, see symmetrical move here, higher lows, higher highs can be seen. We have to be watchful of 2260, 2250 levels. Stochastic overbought trying to cool down, MACD is in green trying to converge, RSI staying flat. Coming to the daily, now look at the daily charts here. See, lower highs are seen here, lower lows are seen here. It is trying to confine its movement within the. Also one more point, see 20 and 20 period moving average and the median of the Bollinger Bands giving it a good resistance. Thus this makes 2270, 2280 is a greater resistance zone, as I have shared earlier in the day, that this zone is definitely going to prove a greater resistance. On the downside, I still expect that see, the momentum it has shown yesterday is going to continue today as well, and possibility of a rise exists, but it needs to break beyond 2270-80 zone. Beyond 2270, 2280 levels, we can look forward to 2295, $23 levels. Lower highs, higher lows, it is trying to confine its movement within the zone, and possibility of lower highs means 2295, $23 levels can be seen sooner. Stochastic rising from the oversold, MACD trying to converge, crossover, RSI is rising as well. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 2280. That will be a safer entry, though I will yes, you can buy 2270 itself, but it is going to be with the caution note that because 2270, 2280 is a greater resistance, above which we can look forward to 23, 2295, 23 as the first target, and then 2315, 2320 as the next. On the downside, a selling entry can be taken here at 2250 levels. Below 2250 is where slight bearishness, but still 2235, 2230 first target, and then 2215 next. Below that is where bears will take over towards $22 and lower. Take your positions accordingly. Do watch the weekly review. Do join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment, friends. That's always a great motivation. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.